Hey everyone, welcome back. This is everything I picked up at Walmart today. I went to complete my weekend warrior bonus and then to grab some extra rebates to count towards my fresh start bonus that Ibotta gave me. I believe that one's 36 offers for $10. My weekend warrior bonus was redeemed 5 offers for $1. Not the best one, but there's still some really good deals going on at Walmart this week, so I decided to go grab some really cheap things. All of these items did come out to be free for me, so I'm going to go over the deals real quick and tell you how much I paid out of pocket for all 14 items. First thing I'm going to go over are the good thins. These are priced at $2.56 in my store. I should have picked up 2. I only grabbed 1. I always scan my products in the store, and the rebate did pop up for $2.56 back when you purchase 2, and I still only grabbed 1. I don't know why, to be honest. So I grabbed 1 for $2.56. No manufacturer coupons. Checkout 51 is offering back $1 on this, and then Ibotta is offering back 75 cents when you buy 1. So my final cost for one of these was 81 cents. If I had picked up 2, cost for 2 would have been $5.12. I would have got back the $2.56 on Ibotta for buying 2, plus the 75-cent was also attaching to that. Plus I would have got back $2 on checkout 51. Both boxes would have been free and a 19-cent moneymaker. That was my fault for only grabbing 1, so 1 cost me 81 cents. On the Triscuit, these are the family size. These are priced at $2.47 in my store. I picked up 2 for $4.94. I got back 75 cents for each one on Ibotta for a total of $1.50. And then Checkout 51 does have a Nabisco rebate for $1 back on Nabisco products up to 5. So I got back $2, 1 for each one. It made the final cost $1.44 for both. On the Ritz crackers, these are priced at $2.82 in my store. I picked up 2 for $5.94. There is a BOGO rebate on Ibotta for $2.98 back. So I picked up 2. I got back $2.98 on Ibotta. I got back $1 for each one on Checkout 51 because these are Nabisco products. That made the final cost for these two 66 cents or 33 cents each. For all 5 of these items, I did have 2 more bonuses. So there was a $2 Nabisco cracker rebate that attached to one of these. When I scanned the product, it didn't attach to any, so I don't know which one it attached to, but when I submitted my receipt, I got an extra $2, and then I got a 75-cent bonus for redeeming 2 offers by Nabisco. So that was an extra $2.75 on all 5 products. It made the final cost for all 5 only 91 cents. So these are the Listerine Ultra Clean Access Flossers. I've picked these up the past couple times. There is a $2 rebate on Ibotta for these, up to a limit of 3. So I picked up 3 for $1.72 is what they are priced at. 3 of them brought me to $5.16. I got back $6, making them an 84-cent moneymaker. Next are the Belvita soft-filled breakfast biscuits, I believe is what they were called. Let's see. They say soft-baked biscuits. So these are priced at $2.88 in my store. Ibotta's offering back $1, and then Swagbucks has a rebate for 100 Swagbucks, which is equal to $1. It made the final cost 88 cents. There was a rebate on Checkout 51, but that's no longer available. On the Renews It 3-pack, is this backwards? Yes. So these are priced at $2.74 in my store. I had a $1 manufacturer coupon from the January 3rd Retail Me Not. That brought me down to $1.74. Ibotta is giving me back $1 for buying a 3-pack. Plus, I purchased one in my last haul, so I got a 50-cent bonus for purchasing 2 separate times. So the final cost of this one was just 24 cents. The Vaseline is a repeat deal again. These are priced at $3.26 in my store. I had a $2 manufacturer coupon that came in the January 3rd Retail Me Not. That left me to pay $1.26. Ibotta is offering $1 back on this Vaseline, and then Shopkick is offering back 400 kicks or $1.60. So I got back $2.60, making it $1.34 moneymaker. On the pull-ups, these are priced at $8.47 in my store. I used a $3 manufacturer coupon from the January 3rd Smart Source. That brought my total down to $5.47. These pull-ups attached to 3 rebates. They attached to the $1 back on the pull-ups. They attached to a $3 rebate and a 10-cent any brand diaper for a total of $4.10 back. That made the final cost of these pull-ups just $1.37. On the U by Kotex, which was the last things that I picked up 2 of the Kotex. These are priced at $2.68 in my store. 2 of them brought me to $5.36. I had a $3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon that came in the January 3rd Smart Source. That brought me down to $2.36. I got back $2 for each one on Ibotta, making these completely free and $1.64 moneymaker. This was like the nicest boxes that I can find because for the most part, all of them are pretty beaten up and most of the other ones were opened. So these are not open and they'll do. Here's the receipt. There are the pull-ups priced at $8.47. The Belvita priced at $2.88. The Vaseline $3.26 with a $2 coupon. The U by Kotex $2.68 each. The Listerine floss picks were $1.72. The Triscuit family size was $2.47 each. The Ritz were $2.82 each. The Good Thins was $2.56 for one. And then the Renews It cone was $2.74 with the $1 coupon. This is the 3 off of 2 pull-ups that wasn't scanning at the self-checkout, and then the 3 off of 2 U by Kotex wasn't scanning at the self-checkout. So customer service did come over and help me, and she did put those through because the items that I grabbed did qualify for the coupon. My subtotal was $32.01. With tax was $34.58. Now, rebates, I somehow used every single rebate app that I have. I didn't plan to, but it happened that way. So subtotal was $32.01. Ibotta, I got back $37.08. That includes the regular rebates, my dollar weekend warrior bonus, and then the other couple bonuses that I hit, like the Renews It, and I think it was the Triscuit or the Nabisco bonus. Checkout 51, I got back $5. I got back $1 for the Ritz, Triscuit, and the Good Thins. These 4 attached to the Nabisco rebate, and the Good Thins is its rebate on its own. Swag bucks, I got back 100 swag bucks or $1 for the Belvita. Shopkick, I got back $1.60 for the Vaseline. And then I always scan my receipts to Fetch. I believe Fetch only lets you scan like 14 receipts in a week. So I scanned it to Fetch. I got back 150 points or 15 cents. That brings my rebates to $34.83. Minus my subtotal makes all 14 items that I picked up a $2.82 moneymaker. That does bring me to the end of this video. I'm going to go downstairs, edit this, post this, and then try to start figuring out the deals I'm going to do at CVS tomorrow and hopefully have that video up by the nighttime for you guys. That does bring me to the end of this video, like I said. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great evening and get to make your way out to Walmart. I will see you in the next one.